All right guys, Jonathan here. I want to go over how we install our H2.5 AZ truss clips, tie down clips, whatever you like to call them, but we like to call them truss clips. So you can see here it says plate line, and then on this side plate line too. So these are reversible either side. You just have to make sure that this or this is above the plate line, and what we mean by that is going to be for us on decks is going to be the beam. So we're not installing them like this, or we're not installing them like that. We're installing the plate line right there, so it holds it down. It stays out of our way when we put our gutter or any type of trim. If we had it here, then it's in our way and it's not installed properly. So what? And then know too that if say if this was the outside joist or outside triple, what we would do then is install it like this. Okay, so we'll nail it in here and nail it in there, so then therefore we can get that outside. If this was the end of the deck and this beam was cut here, we don't put a truss clip on this outside, so we want to make sure that we're going like that. So the way we install these is I like to go and put it in the bottom first, lined up just like that, and we'll come through. Okay, nail all the beam down. You can see these things have a hard time going through the beam, so you got to come through, use your hammer, hammer them in so they're nice and flush. And then we'll come here. I can just make sure we're nice and plumb there. Again, come through and hammer them in. Alright, make sure you hammer them right away, because otherwise you're going to forget about them. Just go as you go, hammer them in. So make sure it's flush, make sure we're at the plate line, and if we have to reverse it, it can reverse to go on this side if it's on the outside of the deck. So there's multiple ways to use these. Just make sure we're not below that plate line. Alright, thanks.